Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Music and Tech. Again, this is Kevin. So this is the last video for this series. We're still looking at the ridge view, overlooking the Taal Volcano. So you would see the Taal Lake also. So there's a species of fish that you can only find in this lake, which is the tawilis. You cannot find it anywhere elsewhere in the world. Yeah, that's the Taal Volcano and the Taal Lake and the surrounding towns. So I'm exploring this old mansion turned into a restaurant. So you would see we are at the basement. So during the Spanish colonial times, this should be the place where they would keep their horses, their wagons. So if you have a house as big as this, then the owner of this place should be very rich and influential during those times. So they have preserved some of the things here. You could see the stairs, the handrails, quite very old wood, even the floor. Its architecture, its design is very much old. So if you would go to this place, if we go up, this would be the reception area. Yeah, you can see there's like a veranda on top. So it's meant for the owner to maybe give a speech or something. Then you have a very old chandelier. Very old. I can only imagine that those were, instead of light, they were placed with numerous candles to light this place up. So we're looking at the piaya. So this is how they cook it. It's a bread filled with molasses, and then they will try to cook it on a griddle. It's a delicacy here in the Philippines. I'm not a fan, but I find it interesting to see. So I think he will just place it on one side and turn it up to the other side. I don't know how or what's the indication that it's cooked on one side. Maybe it's by timing, but the one who's doing this is very familiar. I can see some of the wait. I think it will start to pop. Once it pops, then you have to turn it around. Turn it to the other side. Yeah, so now the chef is turning it up. Yeah, it starts to a bit like pop. And there's this, some of the molasses are trying to get out of the dough. Yeah, you see it's a bit bloated. So we have our queue now, we're going downstairs. Go to our table. So this is the inasal. This is the puto bombong. And this is the pancit. Antonio's recipe. Then again, we're back in the basement. So I'll pause my video, or I'll stop my video. This is the end of the series. Again, if you like this video, please click like, and then if you want to see my other videos, please do subscribe. Thank you so much for staying and seeing all of these videos. I hope you have a good day. Please click like and do subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day and goodbye.